Where are we at? Knott's Farm! We're on the line for the first one of the day, which is called, what is this? Red, I have no idea. And we don't even know what it is. Wanted to write on something because all we've been doing is taking pictures in the park. It's hot. It's super fucking hot.
I think we shoot stuff.
Pew, 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 pew. What do we do? Do we shoot?
What is that?
Does that mean we're underwater? What? I feel like this is Toy Story, but you just hit the ground. Oh, 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 girl! What did you say?
Man, I beat everyone.
Pretty fountain, pretty flowers, so pretty.
Little town is a quiet village.
Gourmet coffee. This looks like Mahala's Madness. Yeah. Are we going? Hello. Hello. Let's go. It's been 23 seconds. Oh, finally. Hello! Ah! Oh my god, it's going fast! Are you ready? Where are we going next? Show me the way. To the coaster. We're going this one next. I don't know if I can vlog on it because it's like a thriller one, but yeah. Let's go. This drop though. There's like no line on this one. Okay. It's the shape of a car. I probably can't vlog on this one too.
We're gonna ride this one next.
Wow. It's like slow. The sun. No one's screaming. What the heck? We got veggie burgers and then a souvenir cup and that. Look at the horsey. We are on the line for this line. I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like Tatsu. It literally looks like Tatsu. This is the one we just rode right now, and there's this little girl the whole time screaming in a high-pitched like girl voice. The whole time. So we just laughed. Wow, this looks familiar.
Oh my god, they go back. Okay, that's gonna give me whiplash. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god.
It kind of looks fun though. This is pretty. That's pretty. We're actually riding this next.
What is this?
I think it's a mini roller coaster. I literally can't see, but I can see through the camera more than my actual eyes. Is that weird? What's taking so long?
I want to sit down.
Boo. Now the rest. Okay. Now we have to wait for the next one. Ah! Stop. Wait, you ready to ride this one? Look, isn't that fun? This is boring. I failed! Having fun. Oh, look at the view. Hello! We kept running into this. I have a bruise. Their loading system here is so slow. Like we've been sitting here for a while-ish now. We want to ride that one next. That's why there's a lot of middle schoolers here. There's like choirs performing or something. Ice cream and there's people up there. Pew pew pew. Pew 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 pew. Wait, I don't know if the little boy right there is like in costume or.
And I was like, Daddy, what are you doing up there? Are they part of the show?
What? Wow, what is that? Ice cream! Okay. She's still eating the ice cream. Why is it missing? It's hella melting.
It's not even good.
Doing a huge mess. It looks like bird poop. This is pretty. It smells. All aboard the Polar Express. Don't go chasing waterfalls. People I guess might look like that. You know, the slip of price. Something, never knowing. We're in the front, the first car of the train.
This here is old Pat Mahoney. And I'm deep.
Oh, it smells good in here. Wow, look at the waterfall. And another one. This part goes Next ride. This one is the one that goes that way. Since we can't ride on it, I'm gonna record these kids. It sounds creepy. Little boy's going so slow. 2 girls behind them, like, hurry up! Or the 3 girls behind them. She's already right here. Ooh, girl, ooh, girl. Ooh. Come on, little boy. Oh, you got faster. Kind of. Still causing traffic. Little boy, you gotta.
They're just pushing him.
This guy doesn't know how to go, so he's getting pushed. Oh. He's like barely moving it. Come on, little boy. They're already done. He stopped. Are they just pushing him?
Yeah.
He doesn't know how it goes. He's not even working for him. I wish they still had the video thing on there. This is pretty. Snack time. I'm getting, it's some chocolate fudge cookie or something. It's crunchy. We're literally too big to ride all the rides here, I'm pretty sure. Unless...
1, 2, 3. Kunin mo rin kami.
Let's go! Oh my god, I'm dizzy. Hi, Zee! Hi! What do I play? I don't know. Let's go yeehaw. Yeehaw? Huh? What? Yeehaw? Huh? What is this conversation? I'm literally in the one that doesn't move because there's no more left. We're not at Disneyland. It doesn't go up and down, she's just making it, she's doing it herself. Bye bye! So...
my sunglasses.
Okay, so... what's that horse ride that? The Pony Express is closed, so we can't ride that, at least for now. The one with the actual real horses, the carriage ride with horses, I don't know what it's called. Literally came when it like closed. Since it started getting cold and dark, we decided to go in the car and change. So I'm now wearing a sweater and leggings, and she doesn't want to move because her legs hurt. Let's go back to the park. Let's go.
Carry me.
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
So the inside of my bag is kind of wet. There's like a room of nothing. What is that? Look how dark it is. We're finally in the lineup of the pony. I can't vlog in that either, but I'll try to get footage of the ride. They take forever to load. Wants to ride this again. We need a break from standing up for waiting an hour for that Pony Express ride. The 10-second Pony Express ride. Here's a pretty waterfall. Pretty! We're in the front side again for some reason. Fireworks! Why can't it be? The fireworks be right here.
Right? That's what I said.
Oh, it smells good. I thought this was a real person for some reason. Someone screaming? Oh my god! Oh my god! Riding this again. We're literally next